Hey guys, here we are with the review of the Sony Xperia RS, the phone which is based on Android and comes with some unique features like the 3D viewing and a 1.4 GHz processor. So let's check out the device first. Here we have the white color model, the Sony Xperia. The phone comes with the 8.1 megapixels camera with LED flash, the Sony logo, the option using which you can pull the back cover to insert the SIM and the battery, small option to have a kind of keychain here, dedicated camera button on the bottom right. Here you have the up and down switch. On the top you have the lock button or the power on key, and this is the option for the HDMI port. On the left you have the 3.5mm volume headset jack option, and that's it. The phone has a small arc finish, which is the reason the phone is called as the Xperia Arc, and this is the S model, which is the next to the original Arc model. Now let us boot this phone for the first time. Here the phone is going to boot up now. As you can see, the logo, the Sony Ericsson logo has come up, and the screen guard which you can see here has come pre-installed, but it's not actually screen guard, and we have got a set of screen guard in the package content itself offered by Sony. So anyway, here we are on the main screen, that's the home screen. It's asking us to select the language. Now here we are on the actual home screen of the Xperia RS. These are different panes. You have the media player here, the photo gallery option, quick shortcuts to different applications like the video gallery and music. On the left you have the events option and the market, and then you have a small widget with quick shortcuts to the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and volume controllers. You also have the notification bar like you always find on different Android based phones. Apart from that, you have three physical keys here. The first one, the middle one is home, this is for the back, and this is for the options. So let's just go to the home, and then here on the bottom, as you can see, you have the option for apps. Sony actually has a different UI, so you need to get a bit accustomed to this. Back, the phone dialer, it's pretty good, the touch is pretty good. Call log, contacts, favorite. You have a dedicated camera button here. Long press on the same and the camera would be activated. It's not yet happening. Let us just actually go to the camera options and then check that out. Okay, the photo was taken perfectly. So this shortcut key would not actually start the application, but when the camera app is running, you can just use it to take the snap. So the quality is pretty good, the focus was good. In the next series of our videos, we would actually give you some tips and hints on how could you use this camera, and also how could you enjoy the features in this phone. This was a pretty basic review of this phone. As you can see, the phone looks good in terms of physical features. Only issue we have is with these buttons. They are not they don't look, in terms of build quality, they are not pretty good. Like when you tap on it, it has to instantly show the screen, and the very same case is with this camera button. We were expecting that when you long press this, the application should actually run up and should allow you to take the photos. Apart from that, the phone is quite slim, and even when the battery is inserted in, it doesn't have a heavy weight, and it looks small when compared to the Galaxy Note. Here, as you can see, the Galaxy Note is here, and the Galaxy Note actually looks like a large phone. In terms of this is the back area. In the front, you can still see that the 4.2 inches Sony Xperia RS looks still smaller when compared to the Galaxy Note. And when I was referring to the main power key here, I was referring to this. Like in case of Samsung, you can just press once and you are assured that the screen would come up. That was what was missing here. The build of these buttons should have been better. Apart from that, the phone comes with Android OS. Let us just check out the firmware version here. So it comes with Android 2.3.4, but we have already covered a few guides on androidadvices.com using which you can install Ice Cream Sandwich on this particular model. Apart from that, let us just check out few of the applications which come pre-installed on this device. Like the basic ones which come are the basic utility applications. Apart from that, the market Facebook application comes pre-installed, which is pretty good. And then you have the data monitor application, track ID, YouTube, WhatsApp. So they are pretty useful applications which have already come pre-installed. And you also have a 3D camera application here. So as you can see here, it says that press camera key and then slowly pan the camera. So let us just first press the camera key here, and then we'll be panning it. It says that we need to pan from left to right. It has to be done quickly. So let's just do it again. The image is being processed. Once that is done, here we have the video ready. So it has not come up perfectly, but probably after a few tries we would come out with better 3D videos. You can actually watch this 3D image on your 3D TV using the HDMI cable which has come in this package. This is just HDMI cable. Apart from that, you also have McAfee security pre-installed, which would ensure that you don't get any malwares or any kind of virus on your phone. And then you have the voice search and update center, using which you can update your device. So that's it. All the phone costs you around 28,000, which is pretty high when compared to the features. Especially we are still not okay with this screen size, because we have been already using the Samsung Galaxy Note, and this offers you with a very large brilliant display, which is the reason we have now started feeling that all the other phones look actually small when compared to the Note. So that's it for now. In our next video we would give you some more tips around the Xperia RS and give you more experience about this specific handset. Thanks for watching.